drop that shoulder. Good. Oh my God.
We got Jared here dealing with some right neck pain. He's my gym buddy. Gotta get him feeling better so he doesn't have an excuse not to go to the gym. Look to the right. And you feel it all in the neck right there, Jared?
Yeah. Good. Let it relax. Oh. Oh.
Sleep on your stomach, Jared. You look to the right.
I do.
To your stomach sleeper. Knock it off.
Let it just. Oh. Good. Drop that shoulder. Good. Oh my God. Oh man, that's so much better.
Yeah?
Yeah.
If you're dealing with neck tension, this is a great exercise to do. Sit up against the wall, bring that chin down. That's gonna elongate the neck muscles, and then bring your arms up and over. It's gonna intensify that stretch. Give it a try.